The South China Sea, often called the Second Persian Gulf, is rich in oil and gas resources. It plays a crucial role in China's energy security. Its largely untapped reserves are also key to fueling the growing economies of the region. China's cutting-edge technology has achieved breakthroughs in drilling, both in the South China Sea and beyond. The guiding principle for exploration is shelving disputes and seeking common development. China-ASEAN energy projects include ventures in infrastructure, clean energy, and oil and gas exploration. One of the earliest and most notable examples came in 2005. Oil companies from China, the Philippines, and Vietnam signed an agreement for a joint marine seismic undertaking to study the potential oil reserves in the South China Sea. Beijing and Manila discussed the possibility of a joint exploration program at Liyuetan or Reed Bank, an area rich in energy deposits. In 2018, China and the Philippines signed the Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation on Oil and Gas Development. They also established an intergovernmental joint steering committee.
So these are clear evidences that China is willing to engage in sharing of these prospects from the South China Sea and in Asia, but this was sabotaged by, again, American leading politicians in the Philippine Senate saying it's illegal and so on.
The Philippines asserts that the joint project area lies within an undisputed exclusive economic zone and that its constitution prohibits any joint exploration. China maintains that its claims are based on historical rights in the South China Sea. The constitutional challenges, coupled with the 2016 arbitration ruling, have blocked the negotiations.
它的实质就是菲律宾试图把它非法侵占这些岛礁合法化，100%否定中国的权利和主张，他就是要求你执行裁决啊。那执行裁决的结果是什么呀？中国退出南海，可能吗？
I don't think any of the claimant states can give up their claims. So those claims should be set aside.
The energy crisis for the Philippines might come soon. There's really pressure on government to develop new sources at the soonest possible time.
The Philippines faces a growing energy shortage. The Malampaya natural gas fields, which currently supply some 40% of Luzon Island's energy needs, are expected to be depleted by 2027. Liyuetan's oil field is viewed as the best replacement for Malampaya. The urgency to explore there is something no one can deny.
But we would not be able to extract these resources because of one, we do not have our own indigenous capacity, and two, we cannot invite the foreign players to come because of the political risk.
Some experts say the Philippines' best solution for energy security is a joint exploration with China, and its pressing energy demands may ultimately drive it back to the negotiating table.
I think the decision to enter into a joint development in the West Philippine Sea is ultimately a political act. Given all of these legal hurdles, it would stack the odds against a leadership to pursue joint development. But there can still be legal solutions to go around if there is resolve.
If the oil and gas exploration deal had been signed and agreed upon, that's already resources and money for the Philippines, much needed fuel and gas and oil.
Achieving common development amid significant differences is a tough challenge for China's vision of the South China Sea. And for the Philippines, the challenge is to navigate its legal obstacles to energy security.